Alright, today I have a 95 Dakota and I'm replacing the doors because they don't open and close as good as they once did. And this is kind of a quick video. You're going to need to remove the window after the door panels. To remove the window, you need to remove that, which is where the guide goes. Let's see, the seal. On the door handle, what someone had asked me before, how to remove it, there is a clip and another clip, and this bad boy, which holds on the door handle, like so. And you can remove the door handle without doing my damage by getting this off, being careful and not breaking that clip, which I just did, and the other clip pops right out, but it just goes on just like that. This is all that keeps the door handle in the truck, which the window has to drop all the way down, so you have two 8mm bolts, 5 10mm bolts, and the regulator will come out, slide it off to the side, put the window all the way down. You can get that bolt and that bolt. That will give you opening to place the door handle on the outside. Alright, if there's any other questions, ask me. Have a good day. Bye.